Are you a passionate paper crafter looking to make the most out of your purchases with Altenew? Do you want exclusive perks and discounts? Well, look no further than Altenew's VIP loyalty program. Specially dedicated to you, our dedicated customers, we have improved a loyalty program, giving you even more chances to earn points and unlock higher tiers. You may ask, how does the loyalty program work? Well, it all boils down to this simple concept. The more you spend, the more you earn points, and the more you earn points, the more you save on your next purchases by upgrading to a higher tier. The tiers start with Daisy, Tulip, Anemone, Gardenia and Rose, with Peony being the highest tier on the list. With each level up on your tier, you'll earn more incredible discounts, coupons, free shipping vouchers, and points you can redeem for other rewards. How exciting is that? But wait, aside from buying more of your favourite Altenew products, you can also earn points by doing some of these actions. Create an account, like on Facebook, share on Facebook, write a review, follow us on Instagram, or even on your birthday, and invite a friend. Plus, we all know the best way to enjoy crafting is by sharing. The same is true with our VIP loyalty program. When you refer a friend and they make their first purchase, 1,000 points are credited to your account via a referral code on your personal launcher. Not only that, but your friend will also receive a $5 coupon off their next purchase with us. Sharing is caring indeed. This is our way of saying thank you for your continued patronage, as we truly owe our success to you. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link in our description and sign up now to be a VIP member for free. If you're already one, comment down below your tier to encourage fellow crafters. As always, thank you for crafting your life with us.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!